Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Verma and I teach on corporate accounting. We are in the fourth lecture now of the first module, which is valuation of goodwill. In the last class, or in the last video rather, I had asked you guys to practice two problems, two illustrations in your house. One for simple average profit method and other one was on the basis of weighted average profit method. So let us try and solve these two so that you can verify whether you got the right answers or no. So the first question that I had given for you all to practice at home was based on simple average profits method. I'll just read out the problem for you. The following is the profits, it should be R. The following are the profits of Darshan Company Limited for past 5 years. 2011 3,50,000, 2012 4,25,000, 2013 3,80,000, 2014 4 lakhs, 2015 3,95,000. Now if you pay attention here, these amounts are not in an ascending order or a descending order. The profits have been fluctuating. Sometimes some years there have been more profit and in some years there have been less profits. When there is such a scenario, we cannot use weighted average. Why I am telling you this? In case if they don't tell you whether to use simple average or weighted average, you should be able to decide whether to use simple average method or weighted average profits method. If they ask that you are supposed to find out the value of goodwill based on average profits. Okay. But however, in this example, they have clearly, in this illustration, they have clearly mentioned that we are supposed to use simple average profits method, and goodwill of the firm will be 3 years purchase of the simple average profits of the last 5 years. So we have to take these 5 years, compute average profits, and then find out the value of goodwill. See, I have put the formulas here. Value of goodwill is equals to average profits into number of years purchased, and the formula for average profits is total profits divided by number of years. We know the number of years. There are 5 years in total. We have profits of 5 years. We are supposed to find out the total profit. So let us find out the total profit. Profit for the first year was 3,50,000. Profit for the second year is 4,25,000. Profit for the third year 3,80,000. Profit for the fourth year 4 lakhs, and profit for the fifth year 3,95,000. The total profit is 1,95,000. Sorry, 19,50,000. Sorry about it. So the average profits is nothing but total profit divided by number of years. See, the number of years is 5. Count. We will see the count here. See this. Number of years is 5. So the formula of average profits is total profits. Just see this. I'll do it once again. Total profit divided by number of years, which is 5. We get 3,90,000 as our average profit. Now goodwill is 3 years purchase of average profits. So goodwill is nothing but average profit into number of years purchase, which is 3 years. So the value of goodwill is 11,70,000. I hope you guys have got the same answer. Guys, let us look at the next illustration now, which is based on weighted average profits method. I'll just read out the problem once. Kranti Company Limited proposed to purchase the business of Shanti Company Limited. So Shanti Company Limited is the one who's selling their business. So we will have to calculate the goodwill of Shanti Company Limited. For this purpose, it is agreed to value the goodwill at 3 years purchase of the past 4 years profit. So 3 years purchase of 4 years profit. So that means we have to find the weighted average profits of 4 years, and whatever answer we get, we'll have to multiply it by 3 years, which is 3 years purchase. We'll look at the profits first, guys, and then we'll look at weights. The profits for the above 4 years are 15,000, 37,500, 45,000 and 52,500. Now if you see, these are in ascending order. Right? They are increasing year after the other. When they are in ascending order, you can blindly use weighted average method until and unless the question says that you are supposed to use simple average profits method. Okay, Let us look at the weights. Weights are 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I told you guys, if it is given or not given, you shouldn't be bothered. If they ask you weighted average method, you just simply have to start with the first year that is given in the problem and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on and so forth, depending on number of years profit that they have given. Okay. So let us note down the profits here. The last sentence says calculate value of goodwill under weighted average profits method. So we know that we have to use weighted average profit method. So profit for first year is 15,000. Profit for second year is 37,500. Profit for third year is 45,000. Profit for fourth year is 52,500. We'll write the weights: 2012 1, 13 2, 14 3, 15 4. Let us find the total of weights. Total of weight is 10. Now before we find the total of product, let us look at the formulas for valuation of goodwill. The formula for value of goodwill is weighted average profits into number of years. Okay, it's similar to, just a moment. Yeah. So we know the number of years purchased. Goodwill is 3 years purchase. Weighted average profit we need to find out. How do we find out? Weighted average profits formula is total product divided by total of weights. We have already got the total of weights. Now let us find out the total of product. Product is nothing but profit into weight. Profit into weight of each year. 15 into 1 is 15. 37,500 into 2 is 75,000. Then it is 1,35,000 and 2,10,000. So the total product is the sum of the product of all 4 years, which is 4,35,000. So now let us find out the weighted average profit. I am using shortcuts. Please don't use such abbreviations in exam. Write it completely without abbreviations. Write the expanded form, which is weighted average profits is equals to total product 4,35,000 divided by total of weights, which is nothing but 10. The weighted average profit is 43,500. Okay. So using the weighted average profit, we will find out value of goodwill. Value of goodwill is equals to weighted average profit into number of years purchased. So goodwill is 3 years purchase. The value of goodwill is 1,30,500. Give me just a minute. I am looking for the Indian currency here. Yeah. So weighted average profit 43,500 and goodwill is 1,30,500. So this is how it is. Very simple. I hope you guys have understood how to find out value of goodwill on the basis of both methods, which is simple average as well as weighted average. In the next lecture, guys, or in the next video, we are going to find out how to calculate average adjusted profits. Okay, or adjusted average profits, one and the same, both of them, because whatever profits are mentioned in the problems, there might be some of the adjustments that are yet to be made in the profits. Like there might be some misappropriation, there might be some wrong treatment, some revenue expenditure might have been treated as capital expenditure or vice versa. Probably the stock has been overvalued or undervalued, both opening stock or closing stock. Or there has been some error on the part of the accountant where the amounts entered were wrong or anything of that sort. Whatever adjustments that are there, after making those adjustments, what profit we arrive at, using that profit as our base for further calculations. This is what we are going to cover in the next class. Thank you guys.